Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Honda CR-V Sport. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired to its CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated seats, power sliding sunroof, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior, lots of extra paneling and storage in the bottom here, equipped with your speakers, CR-V badging right next to it. You have the power locks, mirrors, and windows, that chrome accent, kind of that new texture. You're also going to have the jet black cloth heated seats, super nice. On the left side, you'll have your new design vents, and as well as your trunk release and your rear wiper. Left side of steering wheel here, you're going to have your source as well as your voice recognition down below with the heated steering wheel. And the right side is your lane keep assist, cruise control with the adaptive. Now with the odometer here, you can pretty much access quite a bit of vehicle information, including your range and fuel, as well as you can see your speed and time, your driver attention, all-wheel drive's torque distribution, seat belts to see who a thing, and as well as maintenance and eco mode. It's going to be push to start on the right side here, climate control with the heated seats. Well, again, you're going to have the new design vents, very easy to use, and of course onto the infotainment system. It's pretty easy to do. You're going to have USB, Bluetooth, as well as you can just see there. If we go back to menu, you can see all of your settings, including your rear cross traffic, rear camera, touch panel, pretty much anything you need. Down below, 2 USB ports with a 12 volt with lots of extra storage. Down by the shifter, you're going to have your drive mode selector as well as auto stop and hill descent with parking brake and brake hold. Shifter obviously with center console storage as well, lots of room. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated cloth all the way through. The texture again with vents all the way across. Speakers on each side, and here you can access your reading lamps as well as your power sliding sunroof. You're gonna have these blacked out 18-inch aluminum wheels on Hanna Kinergy GT tires, paint match mirror caps with turn signal, keyless entry door handle, luggage rack up top, your design taillights for the CR-V, as well as you have your sport badging, and of course the power lift gate as well. Pop it to the back, 60/40 rear folding seats with an extra 12 volt DC port and lamps inside, and as well as extra storage down below. It's a very spacious rear. Move on to the rear interior. Get storage on the bottom with the cup holders, CR-V badging again next to the speakers, power windows. Pop it back. Not a whole lot going on, quite a bit of legroom, storage behind the passenger. You're going to have rear ventilation with some storage right there. And in the center, cup holder and armrest with lamps up top and handles on the side there. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out the 2024 Honda CR-V Sport. It comes again with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as a power sliding sunroof, Bluetooth connectivity, adaptive cruise control, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.